Yo, what's good everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy JP, back with another video. If you guys have never seen my channel before, I do mystery boxes, mainly Threadbeast. I do Danny Duncan mystery boxes, and I do other unboxings as well. Haven't been posting as much lately, but I'm trying to get back on it. My subscriber count has been growing, and that's pretty exciting, so I want to start putting out some more videos for the people that actually watch my channel. Those of you that watch every single video, thank you guys so much. Go comment down below how long you guys have been watching this channel. If you're new, obviously I'm the typical douchebag. I post, random things, mainly unboxings and stuff. But yeah, if you guys want to join the JP's Hype crew, make sure to slap that subscribe button down below and leave a like on this video if it helped you guys out at all. So when it comes to Threadbeast, if you guys are watching this video just to get an idea of what's in it, I've probably done 100 of these, and most of the ones that I have now are from referrals. If you guys are looking to buy a box and you want to save some money and get some extra items in your box, use my link down in the description. That helps out the channel by me getting a box and being able to do a video for you guys, and it also helps you by getting some bonus items. So make sure you use that link in the description if you want anything bonus in your first box. So without further ado, let's get right into this. As always, hope you guys enjoy. Let's do it. Alright, so big old box got shipped to my house. It had 3 boxes in it. It had 2 of the premium boxes and 1 of the basic boxes. So that's mainly because of you guys. So if you guys are watching this and you bought a Threadbeast box and you used my referral code, thank you so much. Let me know in the comments if you do use my code. I would just like to know. That way, I can kind of thank you personally for supporting the channel. I don't get paid to do these boxes by Threadbeast. I just do them because they get me decent views, and sometimes I get some decent clothes like this. I love this pullover. I wear this all the time. Got this from Threadbeast, so I don't wear as much of this clothes anymore. Sorry to talk your ears off, but I don't wear as much of this clothes anymore just because of what I do. But for the most part, some of the clothes in this is, pretty good quality. So let's get right into this. Alright, Joe, so I'll give you guys a sneak peek first of all. Boom. Looks like we might have a jacket in here. So we'll see how that goes, but a little nerve-wracking with Threadbeast when it comes to some stuff. So, referral package, thank you for spreading the love. This is a free package we promised you. Reminder for future referrals, they must use your referral link and promo code when making their purchase. Takes 45 days to process in our referral system, but you will get the package. As you can see from this package, there is no limit to how many free referral packages you can receive, so keep them coming. So this to me is kind of stupid on their part. When it comes to their inventory, they could just throw me like 20 bucks and I'd be okay. But I guess that's not what they want to do, so here we go now. Oh yeah, it's looking like a juicy box actually. I mean, yo, this is actually some gas. So I don't even know what this is called. This is, let's see. Yo, this is Chinatown Market. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. Chinatown Market's pretty expensive. I bet you this is an $85 hoodie. I'll try to find it and throw it up on the screen. This is fire, dude. Like this is what you can get from Threadbeast. You know what I'm saying? There's also times you get horrible items, but that makes up for it when you get a Chinatown Market hoodie. That's okay. This is actually sick too. I'm not even gonna lie. Camo jacket, grizzly. I mean, good quality, nice like windbreaker quality. This is nice too. So far, looking like one of the best boxes I've ever gotten, and I mean this thing's loaded. It's packed right to the brim. So right here we got a pink dolphin sweats, some nice gray sweatpants. You already know the vibes. I can't be rocking these like some guys, you know what I'm saying?
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright, up next we got another grizzly hoodie, looks like. This is fire too. I would definitely rock this. I gotta go through a bunch of my clothes. I got so many hoodies and stuff that I just don't wear anymore. So maybe I'll just, revamp my wardrobe with these Threadbeast boxes. I got 3 of them sitting on the floor right there waiting to make a video. So every Sunday I'm gonna try to put a Threadbeast box out until I run out of them. So, you already know. I got 3 more, so that's 3 weeks in a row I'm gonna try to post a video. Usually I'll try all this stuff on. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that today, because looking at my views, a lot of people tend to stop watching the video when I start doing that, so it's kind of a lot of time and effort that I put into it for you guys not to watch it. Let me know though in the comments if I should keep doing that. I might do it just for this video. And if I see the trend continue, then I might stop. But up next, we got some black jeans, looks like. I mean, not much else to say besides some black jeans. You know, slim fit. That's exactly what I wear because I got skinny chicken legs. But these are good, man. I mean, these are nice. I like them. I'm going to try everything on for you guys, for the OGs and the people that actually want to know what this stuff looks like. So I'm going to try this stuff on. Be right back. Alright, so probably looks like you're looking, probably looks like you're looking up at me, if your boy falls, that'd be some funny shit for you, but not for me. So anyways, I mean, this jacket from Grizzly is, I like it. I like it a lot. Something I'm definitely going to wear. And then if you guys can even see these pants, it's honestly something I could probably even wear to work. I have to dress up pretty well, but I mean, they're just black jeans. They kind of just look like dress pants almost. So something I honestly could wear to work, get away with it, and look decent in the makings of that. You know what I'm saying? Threadbeast must know that I like be making videos or something because they just sent me some heat, bro, out of nowhere. So let's try the rest on. So up next we got the Grizzly hoodie on. As you guys can see, fits me like a freaking gem. You can see it fits these absolute twig arms like freaking. You know what I'm saying? We got the Grizzly on the front. I don't even know if there's anything on the back, to be honest.
No.
But it fits good. It's just a regular sweatshirt. I mean, the inside is real good quality, as Grizzly usually is. It's pretty warm stuff, so I'm not complaining about anything, honestly. I think everything I got in this box I'm gonna wear, but a couple more things. I need y'all to do me a favor. If you like this freaking hoodie, I mean, Chinatown Market, this is probably, an $85 to $100 hoodie for sure. I'm gonna look and I'll put that price up on the screen. But go in the comments and give me a sheesh right now if this is fire. Like, if you guys like this, you guys would wear this, go in the comments and just give me a sheesh right now, because I'm geeking a little bit, man, you know what I'm saying? Right here is a Chinatown Market shirt that I got, and okay, it's gonna fall. Gotta love it. This is a Chinatown Market shirt that I got from them forever ago. I looked it up and it was like $95 on eBay for this shirt. Brand new, 95 bucks. So yeah, they send you some good stuff. A lot of times you will get some stuff that you want to rip your head off, but sometimes they will send you some really, really good quality stuff. So if you guys want to buy anything from Threadbeast, make sure you use my link in the description to get some bonus items. Okay, let's get to the outro, because I'm dying. Alright, Joe. If you guys made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching. I can't express enough how much I want to do YouTube. It's just I'm so time constricted nowadays that it's so hard to record the video and edit the video, take like 3 hours out of my day and make a video and basically not get paid for it. I get paid a little bit off YouTube, but it's not anything like crazy. So I mean, if you like the content, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I don't beg for likes or comments or subscriptions usually, but if you guys like the content, hit that subscribe button, help a brother out, you know what I'm saying? But also, go comment what your favorite item in this box was. For me, definitely is this hoodie. Also, if I sound like your father after he swept the kitchen, breathing wise, it's because I had COVID not too long ago, and I'm still kind of recovering from that, so that's why. I want to be in the video again. Everybody say hi to Ella. Ella's in the video once again. As always, stay hood.